Now moving on to Dirtbuster. Dirtbuster is very similar to FUF in performing domain enumeration and things like that, a brute forcing tool, except Dirtbuster is going to be a GUI based application. So on your terminal, you can just type in Dirtbuster and we get this GUI. If it'll pop up, it's taking sweet time. Dirtbuster is ideal for checking a long list of paths and subdomains against our target domain, just like FUF. We can use the same file list that we used from Seclist and then try to do the same brute force for the domain just to see how the tool works and things like that. So we can put in http://metasploitable. We could specify port 80 if we wanted to, so we'll just go ahead and do it just for fun. And then number of threads, we'll want to go a little bit faster. This is just how many threads you want to do, concurrent threads. So it's like, think of it like the processor. So the more processors we add, the faster the computer will perform. And then the file that we want to find. So let's go to browse, go to the root directory, user, share. Go ahead and find Seclist. It's going to be somewhere over here in the S's. So there we are, Seclist. Now discovery. We can double click it. Web content. Go ahead and see if we can find our file that we used. So directory list 2.3 medium txt. We'll just do that one. And then we can start a directory to search with. So a directory to start with. So we'll just start at the root. File extensions to look for. PHP, we can enter, let's say, txt files and things like that if we want to dig a little bit deeper into the different file extensions. So we'll just keep it as these two. We don't necessarily need txt, but just for proof of concept. And then we can go ahead and click start. And then this will show you the scan information, this tab, the results. So all the results that it finds, and then results in tree view, and then any errors, of course. So instead it found all these different directories, and then we can see it in the tree view. So icon, small, doc, login, things like that. So found a to-do.txt file, readme text txt file, CGI bin. So found a consistent fail response. That's not good. So we'll just hit OK. So maybe exit out of that. See if we found the phpMyAdmin just like last time. So phpMyAdmin index looks like it found the same file or the same directory, phpMyAdmin themes dark blue orange. So we can right click on this and open in browser. So similar to the reconnaissance we did for Google Dorking, looks like it found the index of phpMyAdmin themes dark blue orange. So now we find different PHP files. Maybe we can go back. Let's say we want to go all the way back to phpMyAdmin. Looks like we have the phpMyAdmin again. And let's go back to the tree view. So if we want to, we could go through all these and then just look around, see if we find anything. Motilla Day, let's go ahead and open that in a browser. Looks like we have a login.php page, register, header, home, index.php. So let's just go to login.php, copy the URL, and then let's go ahead and paste that into our browser. Looks like we opened bookmarks by mistake. Motilla Day. Give that a second to load. Now we see the page is loaded. So Metasploitable, Motilla Day, login.php. Maybe still trying to load the images and the theme itself. So there's this back arrow. Try to refresh that again. So it looks like we did find another web server running on here on this Metasploitable machine. So that's thanks to Dirtbuster for allowing us to actually find it. So this is one of the pros of domain enumeration or domain brute forcing, subdomain enumeration, all that good stuff. Helps you find pages that you probably wouldn't have come across if you tried to look for this manually within the site. So this tool is very useful, Dirtbuster, FUF, and then the next tool we'll talk about is going to be Burp.